Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of Euro British Pound. Now in this I have not uh, set horizontal lines. There are two reasons that I am going to explain this kind of setup for you. Now when trend reversal happens, that pair consolidates in daily time frame. This is the consolidation. In consolidation, what happens? The lows and highs are very nearby. We are unable to understand this until it breaks to the upward. But if we watch this carefully, there is a upward setup, and now this is a clear breakout of this level. Let me put here for breakout lows and highs. I am going to explain a bit another way, because the lows or highs are very nearby to each other. During consolidation, how it happens, it is important to learn this. But first of all, this is the breakout of this level. Now this pair is going upward. Okay, now I wanted to show you this two-way. First of all, the consolidation. Now was the low during consolidation, and the market went for this up, and from here it came down for this low again. But this low is what we call it higher low. It is very near, but it is higher than this, and from here it went for this high, then came down for this low, then went for this high, then came down for this low, went for this high, came down for this low, went up for this high, came down for this low. So many lines. Due to this, I am again clearing this to make it simple and not putting any low or high in this setup. But just wanted to show you what happens in consolidation. The pairs make the setups. There is another question. There is another thing that is very important to learn. Now let me see, this pair was coming downward. This is the breakout that I want to show you. Here it looks like a breakout, and it is really a breakout, no doubt. This is the breakout of this level. This was the high of the market, this was the low, then went for this high, and this high is lower from this high, what we call this lower high. Okay, then came down for this low. This low is lower than this low, so this is a lower low. Then market went here back and came down for this low. But one thing is very important, that already this low, this high, sorry, after this low, this was high of the market came down for low. Let us see what happened here. It was broken or not. Let me move same line, because these are so near that it will make us confused. Now let me put it here. Okay, now this was break into the downward. It broke to the downward, but when it went high, it broke this high also. So from when it was broken, then the downward setup was not more valid, but it became that it is in doubt. then came downward and this level was broken. As this pair was, this breakdown is not as valid. Why? There are two reasons. First reason is that this level is broken here, but also this pair has broken to the upward. If this would have been coming down from this high would have been lower than this high, then this breakout was more valid. Okay. The other thing that this breakout is no more valid is that from here, this high and this high, both of the highs are now broken. So let me make it simple that due to this setup, the market is going upward. Now, where to buy it from? Now let us see this, because now the downward setup is cancelled, but now upward setup is active. But now let me put here, this high is broken now. Oh, this is the breakout, and the market has not broken. Which we will have to decide which low is valid or which low will be retested. Now this is the low here. Let me see. Let me put it here, because here is also a low. Here is also a low. Let me put it here. This is one of the low, and this is also one of the low. After high, this is low, and now the market is coming downward. If this low is broken, whether it will retest this or this level. Now let us try to understand this on 4-hour time frame, because we will have to understand now in this pair there is only buy option, but we will have to figure it out to be in safe. This is just my analysis. It's all up to you what do you decide. But there's one thing that we need to understand: these kind of setups, all kind of setups, to make trading comfortable. Now this is the setup in 4-hour time frame. This level is broken to the upward. Now this level has retested already from after this breakdown. Then market now I don't think that it will come down to this, because if it comes, then the next level is nearby. How will it be able to keep this upward move? No doubt that this is upward, but now let me okay, we are moving to the daily time frame to watch the entry RTPs and take profits. Even if we don't enter in this, these kind of setups are very important to learn. Thus it is near to this level. Now 4-hour level is also not near to this. If we go, where will we will have to look for this, because now the entry, if this entry, where we will have to put a stop loss. I think the stop loss must be safe here, because I don't think that this level be broken again. But this, I don't know what will happen in the market. I don't exactly know, but the one thing is quite simple, that this pair is now bullish going upward. Now if anyone puts here the long position, if long position is here, then stop loss as a swing trader. I think it is better, but if anyone is not comfortable, then can keep below this, but that will be very near, though that will be very near, but it can be set also. Now let me, okay, this will confuse you, and now it is taking time, but I think it's all clear for you. But even if you don't understand this, if you have any kind of problem, any kind of confusion in this setup, you can ask me in the comments. I will especially make it clear for you, because it is my aim to make our community this wonders of price action community of at least 1 million profitable traders. It's my dream, I want to make this, and I need your help to make this happen. So please share this video with others, and whatever you think of this, it's all up to you. The stop loss may be set under this horizontal line, and there is no sell condition in this market. This is upward, and this is all my analysis. Okay, if anyone has puts the small lot, then he can put the stop loss under this. So please share this with others, and like this video, subscribe my channel, and I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Thanks, bye for now.